In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit drop-down lists in Microsoft Excel. Drop-down lists are a great way to make your spreadsheets more interactive and organized, especially when you want to control the values that users can select. Knowing how to edit them allows you to update your options easily and keep your data accurate. To begin, open your Excel worksheet that contains the drop-down list you want to edit. Click on the cell where the drop-down list is located. Once the cell is selected, go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon at the top of your screen. This tab contains all the tools for managing your data, including options for validation and lists. Next, look for the Data Validation button in the Data Tools group and click it. This opens the Data Validation window where you can see the settings for your selected cell. In the Settings tab, you will find the list of items currently used in the dropdown. These are the values that appear when someone clicks the drop-down arrow. To edit the list, simply make your changes in the source field. You can add new values by typing them separated by commas, remove any unwanted options, or modify existing entries. After making the changes, click OK to save your updates. The drop-down list will immediately reflect the new values you entered. If your drop-down list is based on a range of cells instead of manually entered items, you can update the values directly in that range. Any changes in the source cells will automatically appear in the drop-down list without needing to reopen the data validation window. Editing your drop-down lists regularly ensures that your spreadsheets remain accurate and user-friendly. It also prevents errors by restricting entries to valid options only. By keeping your lists up to date, you make data entry faster, easier, and more reliable. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently edit drop-down lists in Excel, ensuring your worksheets are always organized and accurate. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.